The solvet includes using vertical and horizontal distances to determine steepness. The steepest hill has the greatest slope. In this lesson, you'll explore the concept of slope and how it relates to both the graph and the equation of a line. So here's our key concept, slope. This will also serve as your definition for slope. The slope, m, of a line is the ratio of the vertical change, which we often call rise, to the horizontal change, which we often call run, between any 2 points. The slope formula can be written as m equals, well, rise over run for short, but y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, where x2, y2, x1, and y1 are all coming from known points. A diagram at the right shows a line, its rise and its run, shown between 2 different points on the graph. Problem 1, finding slopes of lines. A says, what is the slope of line B? So we need to find line B on the graph. There it is. They have 2 points nicely identified for us. If those points weren't identified, we would want to make sure that we chose points where the grid lines cross to make calculating the slope easier for us. Then it's a matter of either using the slope formula, as shown here, and subtracting one of the y values from the other y value, 2 minus negative 2, and writing that over one of the x values minus the other x value. And hopefully you remember from algebra, but it doesn't matter which one of these 2 points you identify as point 1 and which one is point 2. So we could call 4 x1 and negative 2 y1, and then these would be x2 y2, or these could be x2 y2, and these other points would then be x1 and y1. In any case, we end up with 4 over negative 5, and so the slope is negative 4/5. B, what is the slope of line D? So we need to identify line D. It's the vertical one, and we do have 2 points identified. But notice what happens when we apply the slope formula. We have 0 minus negative 2 over 4 minus 4, which is a fraction with a 0 denominator. So that is undefined. Vertical lines have undefined slope. Your turn. Using the graph at the right, what is the slope of line A? And what is the slope of line C?